Cat5e 350 MHz riser outdoor sunlight resistant and in-wall CMR rated bulk 500 feet high performance cable with ascending and descending footage marking every 2 feet from 0000 to 500. Reelex technology provides easy pulling and flexibility for the cable with easy jacket stripping. All our cables are compliant and provide the highest standard for your professional networking needs. UTP 24 AWG solid pure bare annealed copper for the strongest signal you can achieve in networking. Pure copper provides better conductivity and enhanced flexibility while providing exceptional transmission and performance with lowest possible signal loss. Standard compliances and certifications: ANSI/TIA 568C.2, ANSI/TIA 862, Building Automation, ISO/IEC 11801, ICEA S 9661. Category 5E, NEC/SEC type, UL listed CMR for riser, and RoHS compliant. 350 MHz speed high data transfer for networking peripherals and applications that utilize RJ45 connectors including routers, switches, online gaming, video surveillance and streaming, power over Ethernet, HDMI or HD-based extenders, computers, laptops, PlayStation, Xbox, and any connection with an RJ45 connector looking to connect to the internet. All sized and cables are industry standard compliant with ANSI/TIA 568C.2, NEC/SEC types, UL listed, and RoHS compliance and more depending on the type of cable being purchased. Top reviews from the United States. It works well. It's been 6 months since I used this cable to install 9 cameras outside my house. I waited this long to write a review as I wanted to see how they will last. So far I've been having no issue with the cables. Also I didn't have any failure while I pulled this cables. Those that complaining that they are thick and hard to work with, the reality is they are made for outside, so yes they are thick and that is what you want.